Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to copy trade on Tradovate with TradingView. First, open TradingView on your device and log into your account. Now open the trading chart you want to trade from. Then click on the broker panel and connect your Tradovate account by signing in with your Tradovate credentials. Once connected, make sure to correct the Tradovate account is selected as your main account. Now place your trades directly from TradingView. Any buy or sell order you place here will act as the main trade for copying. After that, open the Tradovate platform and go to the application settings. From here, find and open the order routing section. Now enable the account group or order copy option so Tradovate can copy trades between accounts. Here, add the followers' accounts you want to copy trades to. Then set the size rules such as 1-to-1 sizing or a custom ratio based on account balance. Once everything is set up, place a single trade from TradingView. Now the same trade will automatically be copied to all the linked Tradovate accounts. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.